previous video, I have showed you how to create a Jupyter session and how to run the notebook within the Jupyter session. In this video, I'm going to show you how to run a batch job. So the benefit of running in a notebook is that you are doing some exploratory analysis. However, in this session, the batch job is when your code is ready, you want to test in batch. Let's get it started. So you come to our platform, and then next you go to the Jupyter session that was previously created. Here is an example of how to run the Python batch job. In order to run the batch job, you need 3 files ready in this example. One is the file to run the batch job, one is a shell script, and another one is the train.py file. That is where your training code for PyTorch is. So let's look at this example. In this job that you're going to run, first you need to install some libraries. The Aspirin libraries here are necessary for the batch job to run. And then next, you give the experiment a name. Here you have a command, which is the shell script itself. Later, you call the function batch.run. In this function, you give the experiment name, and then you have description. And you can also choose number of workers you want this to be. And then you wrap your command in this shell script. So let's take a look at what is inside the shell script and what is inside the Python script. So the shell script is simply just calling the Python script, and then also you will move the log to a certain log directory you want it to be. And then the Python script train.py is where your training script for PyTorch is. You have defined the net, and you've also defined the train and test. And then next you're going to train it and tell it where to save the model at. So now let's train this batch job. So the job is waiting now. Once the job is finished, it's saved it in this job class. In this job class, you can call a couple methods. First is a success to check the status of the job. And then also you can also get the model and then get the model metric from the job as well. Also, we can take a look at the UI. The UI will show us the batch job status. So let's see, we can cancel this job while it's running, like previously we have canceled here. And then also once the job is finished, you will have the succeeded status. And currently the job is still running. Thanks for watching.